Yeah, hello all. Welcome back. So in the previous session,
Okay.
we have gone through the creation of condition type for discounts, right? And that too, we
Yeah.
have created the material discount. Okay.
Mm.
So actually what I
Okay.
have planned is I will create four types of discounts. How many?
Mm.
Four types of discounts.
Four types of this.
Those
Mm.
are nothing but M004, which we have already created
Mm.
by copying the K004.
Mm.
Okay. And
Mm.
M007
Mm.
by copying,
K007.
yes,
K007.
K007.
Mm.
In the same way, M005
Mm.
by copying the K005.
K005.
Okay. In the same way, M020 by copying K020.
FRE.
Okay. No,
K1.
no.
Mm.
I will let you know about the freight conditions later. But in this class, I will
Mm.
create only the discount conditions. Already we
Okay.
have
Okay.
created this one. So now let me create
Mm.
these three. Okay.
Okay.
So here the
Mm.
M004 is used for the
Mm.
material discount, right? So here in which we
Mm.
have taken material is only the key combination, or material is only the field in the access sequence, right?
Mm.
So now let me go through these three also. Okay.
Okay.
So here the
Mm.
this one M005, for which we would
Mm.
like to use customer and material, the combination of customer plus
And
material.
material.
Okay. And this one
Mm. Mm.
M007,
Mm.
for which I would like to use
Mm.
only the customer.
Okay.
Okay. And that too percentage based.
Mm.
Yesterday we have created this one for the fixed amount, right? As 20 rupees discount or 40
Mm.
rupees discount, like that. But this
Mm.
is what we would like to create for the percentage of discount, 20 percentage discount or 10 percentage discount, like that.
Mm.
Okay. And this one M020, this is what is about the price group discount.
Okay.
Okay. Price group discount.
Mm.
So
Mm.
now let me create the condition tables for the M007 and M005 and M020. Okay.
Mm.
So now let me go through the
Okay.
M005 here, for which let me create a table. What is the transaction we use to create the tables? V slash 03,
03. Mm.
right? So in which
Mm.
we have to select the fields from the field catalog. So what are the fields we have to
Mm.
select? Customer plus material, right? So now let me
Yeah.
go through the customers here. Here we can
Mm.
see two types of customers. We have to
Mm.
take the second one, as if we go through the field attributes, here
Mm.
we can find the field name is Kunar.
Mm.
If it is Hainer,
Mm.
then we shouldn't take this one.
Okay.
This one we should not take.
Okay.
We have to take this one. Then the
Mm.
next field is
Mm.
Matner, material, this one. Okay.
Mm.
So I have taken these
Okay.
two fields in the
Mm.
selected field list. Now let me generate the table.
Mm. Okay.
So here what we have to do, we have to give the package. So now let me
Mm.
save it here. And the table number 520 is getting generated now. Okay,
Okay.
see, this is what 520 is getting generated. So now let me
Mm.
go through the access sequence,
Mm.
and here we have to create a new access sequence. What is that?
Okay.
M005. Okay,
Mm.
the customer plus
Mm.
material.
Mm.
Okay, customer with material discount.
Okay. Mm.
So let me select this one and let me go through the accesses here. So in the new entries,
Mm.
we have to give our table number. What is the table? 500?
Take 520.
520.
Yeah,
520.
520.
Mm.
See, customer and material. So now let me select this
Mm.
one and let me go through the fields here. Then
Mm.
we have to click on enter. See, here the status is in green, right? So,
Mm.
which literally means that there is no error here. Now you can save it. And see, I have saved it already. Now, let me go through the creation of condition type. So, what is the
Mm.
one which you would like to take as a reference? K005. This is the customer
Mm.
and material one, right? So, let me take it and let
Yeah.
me go through the copy as. And here we have to give M005. Okay, and here the access
5.
sequence is
Mm. Mm.
M005.
M double.
Okay,
Mm. Okay.
this is what is customer and material. See, actually, these
Mm.
are all the controls, right? You don't make any
Mm.
changes to them now.
Okay.
I will take
Okay.
separate sessions for the controls, condition type controls. Okay, where I
Okay.
will let you know what exactly the
Mm.
controls are
Mm.
and how can we use them to control the condition types. Okay, but
Okay.
for now, you
Mm.
please do as I am doing here.
Mm.
See, I have already created M005, right? So what is the next
Yeah.
step? We have to place it in the pricing procedure. Okay,
Pricing procedure. Mm.
yeah, but let me
Mm.
create two more condition types, M007 and
Mm.
M020 also,
Mm.
for which let me go through the creation of condition tables. And
Mm.
M007 consists of the customer percentage discount, right? So now
Mm.
let me take only the customer as the selected field.
Mm.
See this one. Now let me generate the table
Mm.
and let me
Mm.
save it now.
Mm.
So now 522 is the table which is getting generated.
Okay.
Again, I have to go through the access sequences. And
Mm.
here, let me go through the new entries.
Mm.
M007, right? This is what is
Yeah.
the customer
Uh,
percentage discount.
Customer discount. Mm.
Customer percentage discount. Okay.
Mm.
So now let me click on it and let me go through the accesses. Here, let me go through the new entries.
Mm.
And here, let me give what is the table
Mm.
number? 522.
522.
Okay.
Mm.
Now let me click on it and go through the fields here.
Mm.
And now let me save it. Okay,
Mm.
now the access sequence already got saved. So what we have
Mm.
to do, we have to go through the condition types again. Now let me take
Mm.
K007 because this is what we would like
Mm.
to take as the reference. And let me create the
Mm.
M007 here. And the access sequence
Mm.
we use to create it
Mm.
is nothing but M007.
Mm.
And let me make the,
Mm.
let me this change the name here, customer
Mm.
percentage discount. Okay,
Mm.
now let me save it.
Mm.
So one more discount is there, right? As we have discussed, it's nothing but
Mm.
M020, nothing but
Mm.
the price group discount. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
so let me create the condition tables. So here,
Mm.
let me take the price group,
Mm.
this one. Okay,
Okay.
and you can take
Okay.
n number of fields, not an issue, but for now I'm just giving you the
Mm.
overview of some of the standard discount types. And if you would
Mm.
like to provide a discount to the customers based on
Mm.
plant and material or based on plant and price list, so you can give.
Mm.
You have to go through the
Okay.
list of allowed fields from the field
Mm.
catalog. Then you can take the fields to the
Mm.
selected fields list. Then you can generate the tables and you can place them into the
Mm.
access sequences. From there to the condition type,
Mm.
and you can maintain the condition records. Okay,
Okay.
you can do like that.
Mm.
But for now, let me
Mm.
create this one and let me save it now.
Mm.
Now the table number 526 is getting generated, right? So let me go through the access sequences.
Mm.
So let me go through the new entries. M020. This
Mm.
is what is this? Price group discount.
Discount.
So now let me click on it and let me go through the accesses. And here in the fields, sorry, here in the access fields, we have to give the table, new table. What is the table?
26.
526.
26.
Yes,
Mm.
see, this is what the price group. So now let me click on it. Let me go through the
Mm.
fields again.
Mm.
And now let me save it.
Mm.
Okay. So
Mm.
already the access sequence got saved.
Mm.
So now let me create the condition types again. So we
Mm.
have to go through the condition types here.
Yeah.
How many condition types we have already created? See, M004 got created, M005 got created, M007 also
Mm.
got created.
Yeah.
And MR00 is the base price condition type which we have created earlier.
Mm.
Okay, now let me create,
Mm.
yeah, let me take this one and see M020. M020. So this is what is
Mm.
the price group discount. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
now let me save it. So now
Mm.
we are having the discount condition types, right? So
Mm.
now let me place them into the pricing procedure.
Mm.
So in the step number 10, what we are
This slide,
having?
right?
In the step number 10, we are having base price. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
In the step number 20, bifurcation. Step number
Mm.
30, we have
Discount.
M004,
Material. Mm.
40, M005. So like that,
Mm.
let me place them into the pricing procedure.
Mm.
Okay. So now
Okay.
let me go through V slash 08,
Mm.
and here our pricing procedure is MR, this one I think. See
Mm.
this one. So now let
Mm.
me select this one and let me go through the controls. And here
Mm.
see, so far we have created MR00 and M004. Okay.
Mm.
Now
Mm.
let me create or let me add the remaining condition types here. In the step number
Mm.
30, you can find M004, right?
Mm.
So in the step number 40, I will give
Mm.
M005.
Mm.
Okay. In the step number 50, I will give
Mm.
M007.
Mm.
In the step number 60, I will give
Mm.
M020.
Mm.
Okay, now let me save it. Let me go back here. See, these are all the discount condition types, right? So till
Mm.
here, it till here we are having the base price. So till here. So till here we are having all these are discounts. That's why I have bifurcated like this.
Okay.
Okay, now let me go here. So this customer material discount has to be calculated on this one base price. So it is there in the step number 20. So now let me give here the step number as 20, and here it's also 20, and here also 20, and here it's also 20. Here it is 20, then here it's also 20. Okay. So now discounts should be get calculated from step number 30 to the step number 60, right? So from 30 and the two number is 60. Okay, you don't worry about them, as I have already told you, right? You don't worry.
Okay.
So now let me save it. Okay, so now our pricing procedure is consist of all these condition types: base price condition type and discount condition types. Okay, so far we have created the condition records for MR00 and M004, but we haven't created any condition records for M005, 007 and M020 because they were created now itself only. So now let me create the condition records. Let me go through the transaction VK11, and here it is M005, right?
Yeah.
And what is the key combination we can see in the M005? It's only customer.
005. Yeah.
Customer and material, sorry. So
Customer and material.
let me take our customer is this one. And our material is vaccine 200, for example. And the discount is 10 rupees. Our discount is, for example, 40 rupees. Okay, and the unit you have to give INR, Indian rupees. So as it is the discount, you can find the minus symbol here. Okay, now let me save it. And see, and the record already got saved. And if you would like to make the changes to the record, then you have to go through the transaction VK12. Then where you can make the changes.
VK12, okay.
Yeah, have you ever tried? I think you might have.
No.
Okay, you try it once. And now let me create the condition record for M007 also. This is what is the customer percentage discount, right? So let me give the customer here. And here see, it's not asking the amount, it's asking the percentage. See here I'm giving 10% as the discount. Okay, so in the next class I will let you know how the system is taking the percentage here and how the system has taken, what is that, the amount as the discount in the M005 and M004. But here in the M007 it is taking the percentage discount, right? So these are all there in the condition type controls. Okay, but for now let me save it. Yeah, it was already saved. Now let me go back and M020, this is what is the next condition type. So for which we have to maintain the records. What is that? The price group, right? So what is the price group we have created?
Price group.
Yeah, I think we haven't created anything. Okay, let me go through the bulk buyers, for example. Okay, so if the price group is bulk buyer, then we will give a discount of 20 rupees. Sorry, not rupees, here it is percentage, 15%. Okay, now let me save it. Now let me create the sales order again. So here if you create the sales order, then you can able to find all the discounts, right?
Mm.
See, let me give our customer. And let me give the material here. And here the quantity is 1.
Mm.
See, if you go inside the conditions here, see, what is the base price? 200 rupees is the price of the product.
Mm.
Okay, but now the price is,
Mm.
but now the net value here is 120
Mm.
because 3 discounts got applied to the customer.
Yeah.
M004 got applied, M005 got applied, M007 got applied.
Mm.
But
Mm.
M020 did not get applied,
Mm.
right?
020.
Yes,
Mm.
because
Yeah.
that is the price group discount, which
Yeah.
means if the customer is
Mm.
belongs to that price group, then
Mm.
only he will be eligible for the discount. So now let me make
Mm.
the changes in the customer master.
Mm.
So let me make this customer also to be eligible for that discount.
Mm.
So where can we find that price group? Where can we find?
Sales.
Here
Sales,
only, right?
sales,
In the sales tab.
sales data, sales.
Mm.
Yeah. And for the bulk buyers, we have given the record. So as we have given the record for the bulk buyers, I have made the changes to this customer as the price group of this customer is 01 here, nothing but the bulk
Mm.
buyers.
Okay.
So now, if we create the sales order now, do you
Mm.
think that the another discount also will get applied there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it will be
Yes,
applied.
obviously.
Mm.
It has to get applied.
Mm.
And see, here the if you go through the conditions, here the price is 200
Mm.
and these 4 discounts got applied.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So after applying the discounts, the net value is
Mm.
90 rupees.
Mm.
So in this way, you have to place the discount condition types in the pricing procedure.
Okay.
Okay. And see, if
Mm.
there is a requirement of the business that if customer is eligible for all of these discounts,
Mm.
then the company will go into losses, as the company would like to give at least one of those best discount. So if the company
Mm.
asks us to provide only one discount, which is the best one among them, or which is the worst one among them. So I will
Mm.
let you know the configuration later.
Mm.
But for now, you place the condition types like this.
Okay.
Okay, and see, this 20 rupees got calculated on this one, right? Because in the
Mm.
pricing procedure configuration, we have seen M004. It has to be calculated on step number 20. So from 20 to 20 means here it will get calculated on the base price.
Mm.
Okay, so here the base price is 200. So 20
Okay.
rupees is getting calculated here. So this is what also is getting calculated on
Mm.
base price. Step number 20.
Mm.
So it is 40 rupees.
Mm.
And see, now this one is 10 percentage means 20 rupees. So 10 percentage on,
Okay.
see the 10 percentage on the step number 20. So 10
Mm.
percentage on the base price, which becomes 20 rupees here.
Mm.
So 15 percentage on the
Okay.
base price, this one. It becomes
Mm.
30 rupees. Okay. So
Okay.
what this bifurcation
Mm.
step will do, it will calculate all these 4 discounts. So for which what I did,
Mm.
see, I have given from as 30 this one, okay, and
Mm.
2 as this
Mm.
one. Step 60. See,
Okay.
from number is 30 and the 2 number is 60. So from here to here,
Mm.
okay. So the bifurcation step calculated all these discounts. So the total discount value
Okay.
is 120 rupees and the base price value is
Mm.
200 rupees. So 200 minus 110 is nothing but 90 rupees. So this is what we can find in the net value. Okay. So I hope you are clear with it. And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now. And do you have any queries in this regard?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Have a nice day.